Here's how to enter safe mode in Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, go to your computer settings. In settings, select system settings. Under system settings, scroll down and click on recovery. Under recovery, here you will find this advanced startup option. Just click on restart now next to advanced startup and click on restart now. And your PC will restart in just few seconds. Once your PC restarted, here you jump into this page, just tap on troubleshoot and click on advanced options. And here click on startup settings, and here we need to select safe mode. So to safe mode, just click on restart again. And now here we can see enable safe mode. So if you can use keys or function keys on your keyboard to enable safe mode. If you want to enable only safe mode, then just press 4 key or function 4 key on your keyboard. You can enable safe mode with networking. You can enable safe mode with command prompt. So in my case, I'm just selecting enable safe mode. So I'm pressing the 4 key on my keyboard. And as you can see, my PC is now restarting in safe mode. Okay, now I'm just signing into my computer, and as you can see, my computer is now in safe mode. So this is how we can actually enter in safe mode. And if you want to exit from safe mode, you just need to simply restart your computer, and then your safe mode will exit. Thanks for watching.